V Polycab India Limited is India's largest cables and wires manufacturing company. Polycab India Limited is bound to provide the best quality cable and services to the industry. Besides a good quality cable, it is always required cable should be handled carefully and should be tested as per appropriate methods. Cable lugs are the electrical connector which used to connect the cables to electrical appliances. Cable lugs are ensuring the proper electrical contact between them. Cable lugs should be properly crimped using crimping tools with suitable crimping bits and they are permeant. For LT cables, select proper lugs like for sector-shaped lugs for sector-shaped conductors. Remove insulation from the cable without cutting cable strips. Use sharp blade for removing insulation from the cable. Apply crimping paste. Crimping paste is used to remove air gap between the cable strips. Select proper the crimping bit on the crimping tool. Insert the cable lug on the cable and put the same into the crimping area in the crimping tool. Press it until the crimping tool gets pressed. Pressing on the cable plus lug until to reaching the end of the cable plus lug joints. Proper lugs to be used for best results. Improper lugs will lead to heating of the cables at termination. Always use dowels lugs for proper results.